layers. I'm so excited. These are actually from my first KSCraft Lover Store AliExpress haul. In fact, first time I've ever ordered from AliExpress, but I did actually do a little haul video, but in case you didn't get a chance to watch that and you want to see what exactly is in these two sets, first of all, I want to let you know that it is called the Layers Coffee Cup Shakers, and I will have the links down below. And they're $4.99 each, and I definitely think it's worth it because look at how many pieces to the die you get in here. I mean, that's a great price. So anyway, let me share this with you. I believe that Nicole Silhouette designed these. And so you get 3 layers, okay? So you get large, medium, and small. I wish they create a bigger one. So Hannah, if you're listening to this video, please have Nicole create a larger one for the slimline cards. I would love to see a bigger cup. Anyway, so I love the little hearts here, and you get 3 different sizes. And here is for the cup with the lid right here. Okay, so you get 3 different sizes for those. And then you get the regular lids, and then here's your little bubble lids is what I call them. And then also you get your whipped cream right here. I'm going to move on over to this die right here. And then here's the little sleeves that go on your coffee cups. And of course you have your little heart designs that will go right here in the center if you decide to use it for that, or you could put it in here. Okay, you could do that as well too. You get 3 stirring sticks, 3 different size spoons, and then you get your little I call it smoke, but it's really not smoke, it's steam, right? So for your coffee cups over here, right? And then as well as your little domes. Love that. I just love this entire set. And I cannot wait to use it. So I'm going to go ahead and do a tutorial now. I'm not sure if I'm going to do all 3 different sizes on video, but I'll definitely do the largest one on video for sure. I'll do 2 different ones, the one with the dome cup and again the one with the regular lid. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I just want to let y'all know really quickly. Remember how I told you this was for the bubble cups? That's not correct. I realized it really quickly once I started clipping these out of here. But anyway, so these are actually going to be your pieces to make it a shaker. Okay, so anyway, I just wanted to let you know that really quick, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so the first thing I did is I cut out my paper, and it's going to be 3 inches by 4 1/4. Okay, so 4 1/4 in height. And you know, that should be good for all of them. So I cut myself out several of these. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get your base piece, right? You would actually cut this out first. And I'm thinking I'm going to do a white background, but I want to show you how I'm going to do my layering pieces. Okay, so I'm just going to bring it up to approximately the middle here. You know, it's hard to tell, so we're just going to go with that. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and use some cheap washi tape. This is probably a mistake. Let me use this one. Cheap washi tape is really the best to use this because, you know, you're not going to be keeping it, obviously. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it all the way across here. Okay, and if I'm lucky enough, I can pull this up and it'll still stick to the 2 of these and I can just keep going. But, and that's really what you want to do, because as you're layering, you want to make sure it's positioned in the right spot every single time. Okay, so that's a big hint about layering these dies. And I'm going to go ahead and do my first cut right here, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so tip 1 for making layering dies is definitely you want to make sure that you do your layering pieces first, right? So that is your outside die and your inner die. Some dies are made where it's already set for you to be a shaker die, but this one in particular is not, so you would have to add this little piece and then use your washi tape, right? And then you're going to go ahead and cut out your foam layers, which is what I used. You don't have to use foam paper, but this is from Michaels. And also your top colored layering piece, okay? Then once you're done with that, you can go ahead and remove this because you don't want to have, again, these in different places, okay? So it's never going to be the same. Once you put this together and you try to do it again, it's never going to be in the same spot every time like it should be. Okay, so then you're going to go ahead and make your your bottom piece, okay? So your actual shaker bottom. So what I do is I always cut it out twice because, you know, we all have our little things here and they're always, you know, our little plastic pads are all messed up. So I go ahead and make two so that way I can cover that up and then put a little note on the back. And so that's what I do. I don't know if you want to do that, but that's what I do. So anyway, we'll just go ahead and go on with the tutorial. Okay, so I decided I want to have a cute little background for my coffee. So I went ahead and I'm going to use both of these. So I'm going to have my front and my back. And then again, I have my two foam sheets that I'm going to glue together. And also I have cut my acetate sheet. So what I want to do is, for another little trick, you can use some Gold Bond body powder. And I got this at the Dollar Tree, so, you know, no loss there, right? Just $1. So this is to prevent my shaker stuff sticking to the acetate, and then it doesn't shake very well, if that makes any sense. It just kind of stays there. And so I just find it easier to do this. And then I'm just going to wipe it off as much as I possibly can so that it doesn't look cloudy. Let me see if I can find a, I'm going to find a little tissue and then we'll go ahead and get started on the process video portion. Okay, so I finished this and I think it turned out really cute. And I decided that this time, instead of doing the foam layers, I'm going to do just regular paper layers. And but I think this spoon turned out super cute. And I really love how it turned out. So let's start on the second cup. And so what I did is I have my, again, my two base layers first. Oops, sorry. This time I'm making a Frappuccino, so I thought that this kind of reminded me of the Frappuccino color for my background. I did 7 layers altogether, but 6 of the regular paper color, and I thought it kind of matched this right here, so I'm happy with that. And then I did my top layer, so that is 7 altogether. I also did my bubble top, okay? And I also did another one in the plastic or the acetate, just to see how it'll turn out. I'm not sure yet. And I also did my shaker top for the acetate, right? And then the last thing I did was my straw. So let's go ahead and get started. tell you I had such fun making these cute little shakers, and I'm going to show you in a second. I made a few more off camera just so that you could see the different sizes and different styles, and I thought that it was really super cute. Anyway, I'm in love with this die set. I'm just putting this in a temporary bag for now until I get some more of my other ones that I usually get from my dies. But anyway, I just want to let you know that I did use these little hearts from, or shaker hearts, or she calls them shaker sequins, from KSCraft, as well as her little kiss lips. Those are so stinking cute. And again, I really like these. They're very high quality. So they're a lot better than the ones that I purchased here. I did use these too. These are much thinner, and so I use the stars. I use some of the smiley faces, and then I use the little cupcake and the little Swiss cake roll from this collection. But anyway, I know it's kind of hard to tell because it's not close up, but anyway, they're super cute. And then also I use some of my foil hearts sequins from the Dollar Tree, and I just love these. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started so I can show you. I'm going to start off with Oops, guys, I forgot to show you the little spoons. And again, how stinking cute are these? I love them. And again, you get 3 different sizes. So you have one for your smallest cup, your medium cup, and your large cup. And they're just so stinking cute. Anyway, bye guys.